What is the secret technique for hypnosis with eye contact?
Hello, and welcome to today's fascinating video, where we will delve deep into the world of hypnosis and unlock the secrets of eye contact hypnosis. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in any hypnotist's arsenal, and mastering it can truly enhance your hypnosis skills.
What is eye contact hypnosis?
Eye contact hypnosis is a technique where the hypnotist uses sustained eye contact to induce a trance-like state in their subject. The eyes, often described as the windows to the soul, are highly effective in conveying non-verbal messages and emotional states. In the realm of hypnosis, the hypnotist's eyes become a focal point, a visual anchor that the subject latches onto, aiding them to enter a state of heightened suggestibility.
The secret technique, how does it work?
The secret to successful eye contact hypnosis lies in maintaining consistent and focused eye contact without making the other person feel uncomfortable. This involves a delicate balance of confidence, comfort, and concentration. Here is a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Establish rapport. This involves creating a comfort zone for your subject by talking about common interests or shared experiences. This will help build trust and make your subject more receptive to the process. 2. Engage the subject's focus. Once rapport has been established, you need to start focusing their attention. Ask the subject to look into your eyes. Maintain a soft, relaxed gaze. 3. Maintain eye contact. Keep a steady gaze, but remember not to stare. The purpose is not to intimidate but to guide. Your gaze should be soft, comfortable, and non-threatening. 4. Use verbal cues. Simultaneously, use your voice to guide the subject into deeper relaxation. Your verbal cues should match the comfort of your gaze. 5. Watch for trance indicators. Pay attention to changes in the subject's behavior. Look for signs of relaxation, such as slowed breathing, reduced blink rate, or a slight glaze over their eyes. This signals that they have entered a trance state. 6. Give suggestions. Once the subject is in a trance state, it's time to give them the desired suggestions. Always make sure these suggestions are ethical and beneficial for the subject.
How to improve your eye contact hypnosis technique?
Improving your eye contact hypnosis skills requires practice and attention to detail. You need to be attuned to your subject's comfort levels and response to your gaze. Regular practice and experience will help fine-tune your technique. It can also be beneficial to study from experienced hypnotists or consider professional training in hypnosis to gain a deeper understanding of the process. Eye contact hypnosis is a potent technique that harnesses the power of non-verbal communication. It's all about using your eyes as a conduit to guide someone into a state of deep relaxation and increased suggestibility. Remember, the goal is always to foster a positive and comfortable environment for your subject. Ethics and consent are paramount in hypnosis, so ensure to always prioritize these aspects. Thank you for joining us today and happy hypnotizing!